Stove grate accessory expands the cooking range of Coleman RoadTrip Grills. Spacious grate easily supports a 12-inch pan for making eggs, chili, and more. Chrome-plated steel wire construction is rust-resistant and lightweight. Built for durability and years of regular use. Compatible with Coleman RoadTrip Grills and Swaptop accessories. The porcelain-coated cast iron construction is easy to clean at the campsite or at home. The chrome-plated steel wire construction keeps rust at bay, so you'll be able to bring it on your adventures year after year. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect stovetop for your road trip grill. It's an essential accessory. I bought this, obviously, to go with my road trip grill. It performs 100% as advertised. Pretty nice to have a grill and stove in one unit. Coleman recommends not using the grill grates as a stovetop, so this is the ticket. I question whether anything would be harmed by just using the grill top, but since the grill grate soaks up a lot of heat, this is no doubt much more efficient. I just spent several days at 5,000 feet. It already takes forever to boil water at that altitude, so why make it any harder? I do think it's way overpriced. I spent $23.44. But I am not the sort to deduct a star based on price, unless the item is poor quality to begin with. But I am thinking a pair for $35 would be more like it. Or just charge more the grill and include the swap top. But that wouldn't be as profitable. Oh well. Official seal of approval applied.